might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy.
Welcome to CIC Mandaue Recognition Day for 3rd and 4th quarters here at Mantos Sala. Kaway-kaway da, kaway-kaway, hi! So to award for the 3rd quarters and 4th quarters, Sani Kendra Reese Manto with honors. Go to Dada! Go to Dada! Go to Dada, get your kuan. You go na lang Dada ni Reese. I-hold lang, just hold it and picture. Yay! Congratulations, Kendra! Congratulations, Kendra! Wait a second, ha? Picture mo da. Down, gamay. Picture Dada. Move dito, Ken, kaya away mo ang face, Ken. 1, 2, 3. Look at Mimi. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Okay, for the next awardee. Pizza. With honors, 3rd and 4th quarter, Cassandra Rain Manto, grade 9. Baka mo ka diha. Move, ate. Okay. I-show, ate. Ano, darida gamay. Ano, siya? Rain, move here, Rain. Okay. Buwag, Rain. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and last slide there. Come on, Doha. Congratulations, Rain and Reese. Thank you for your hard work. You inspire Mimi and Dada to work more and to do good always. We love you so much. 1, 2, 3. Down, gamay, Ken. Down. And now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Congratulations. Thank you so much, girls. Paid off amo ang mga kahago, sacrifices.
Feel like a